Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Errors. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can set up your HP printer for the optimum performance and with all the features enabled on it. So what we are doing right now, first before we make any change on the computers, in fact, even if you are a personal user, it's my recommendation, you should go ahead and create a restore point. So this user has a printer which is HP Ink Tank printer, which is a quite good one. In fact, their printing is not working at the moment. There are two documents already in the queue and it is not functioning. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. They do not have the full set of drivers for their printer as I checked under the program. So I do not see anywhere they have any driver specifically for their printer. So what we're going to do is we are going to download the full set of drivers. You go ahead and open up any of your browser, whatever you have on a computer. Like on this computer, I'm using Microsoft Edge and I will look for HP Easy Start. That is an application by HP directly. Okay, I believe this is the link we want to access. This method is going to be pretty much applicable on Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 10 or Windows 11. We already downloaded HP Easy Start. I'm going to click on Open File, Allow. Simply accept. Continue. If your printer is already on the internet, like it is connected to the Wi-Fi, it will be shown right there. This printer is already connected to the Wi-Fi, so we don't have to do the extra work. But if you're setting up your printer the first time, your printer would be already in the setup mode, and in the same display, application is going to give you the instructions within the same panel to connect it directly. So here, what we're going to do is click on Continue. You have to allow it again. If you already have an existing HP account, you can go ahead and sign in. That would be a lot more convenient for you to use this printer with all the features. Or if you don't want the account, then you can simply skip it. And you can either put your printer to auto update, which is recommended. Pick full software and drivers. So it is going to make sure that your printer would be enabled and configured with its full throttle so that you can use it for scanning, printing, in whatever the way possible. You have to follow the instructions, accept the terms, and you want to use connected printing, you can say yes to it. You want to share all these things, I say no thanks. You will also get the prompt to set up your fax. This application configuration process can take up to 5 minutes, maybe more than 5 minutes, depending on the operating system. So you have to be a little patient in this section. You can go grab yourself a cup of tea, maybe a glass of water. Alright, so the setup is completed. We can click on Finish. Previously, we did not have any software icon on the desktop for the printer. However, now we do have one, as well as a dedicated icon for the scanner. So if you want to scan, we can simply go ahead and now use this icon directly to scan any sort of document using our printer. However, I am running into an error right now here. That is the HP SmartTank Plus 650 series was not found. In this situation, what you should do is simply go ahead and do a hard shutdown on your printer. You need to unplug the power cord from the back of the printer as well as from the wall, and give it about a minute before you plug it back in. And the sequence you can prefer always is from printer to the wall. Alright, so I've completed the restart on my computer. Meanwhile, I also restarted my printer to ensure that they have a clean communication without any additional glitches. Now I just want to go ahead and try this application, HP SmartTank Plus. And there we go. We have our application up and running right now. This is the direct application for your HP SmartTank Plus 650 series. And from here, you can choose a variety of options, what you would prefer as the output. So I'm choosing save as a PDF, and our document is already in the feeder. The good part of this driver application is that it is going to pick up automatically the document. If there is anything on the feeder, it is going to pick it directly from there. That'd be the priority. And if there is something on the scanner glass, it's going to pick it from the scanner glass. So I will simply go ahead and click on scan. Alright, so my scan is completed and I can see the 3 sheets rendered already in the application. However, from here we need to put them to a certain location. So I'll click on the save button located on the right side bottom corner. I have this display. From here I can go ahead and click on desktop, or any way you want to save your document. I can name it to anything I want. Scan 1. I'll name it like that and I will save it. It should be going to my desktop and it is saved on my desktop right here. After I'm done with the scanning, I can go ahead and also exit this application. Done. Second method additionally you can choose is this application, which is with your printer's name HP Smart Tank plus 650 series. Similarly, it's going to be your printer. It could be a HP Officejet Pro, HP Laserjet, it could be anything. You will access your printer dashboard directly from this application. Over here we have a print, scan, fax. Choose scan from here, and further you click on a scanner document or photo. That's going to again open your scanner application, and from there you can again follow the instructions just like the way we did it a moment ago and do your scan. If your printer has a display which you can operate and you have a scanner button on it or a scanner feature on it, you can tap on it and you can do scan to computer, scan to your laptop. One more way to scan can be HP Smart Application. Download and install HP Smart Application on your computer, and that can be also the way to do the scanning. So there are many ways to do a scan using HP printers. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it anyway helpful, please hit the like button, and you can subscribe for the future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Thank you for watching Crazy Editors. I'll see you in the next one.